celebration or occasion, there is one factor that we all are connected with, and that is food. And there are some auspicious days like Ekadashi, Navratri, Ramzan, and with the Shravan approaching, the fasting always has some significant ritual during this time. So today we're going to talk about fasting. पर इससे पहले हैव यू एवर ऑब्जर्व कि जो फास्टिंग के महीने आते हैं वो हमेशा एक सीजनल चेंजेस के दौरान होते हैं. सो बी इट फ्रॉम योर समर टू मानसून, फ्रॉम मानसून टू विंटर, देयर इज ऑलवेज अ सीजनल चेंज और इसी टाइम पे फास्टिंग होता है. सो बी इट फॉर अ डे और मे बी फॉर 9 days और पूरे महीने के लिए, या फिर इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग विच इज द न्यू ट्रेंड. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ रीजन बिहाइंड दिस फास्ट. पर हम में से बहुत सारे हैं जो सिर्फ वेट लॉस या डिटॉक्स के लिए फास्टिंग करते हैं. इफ दैट इज इट, इट शुड नॉट बी द रीजन फॉर फास्टिंग. Now let's talk about the importance of fasting. During any of the seasonal changes, मान लो कि ये मानसून चल रहा है, इसी टाइम पे अपना डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम जो होता है वो बहुत वीक होता है, बहुत स्लगिश होता है, और वी ऑलवेज फेस सम कंप्लेंट्स लाइक गैस, एसिडिटी, वी फील ब्लोटेड, बहुत ही हैवी लगता है, या फिर हम फट से कफ एंड कोल्ड पकड़ लेते हैं. सो ये जो सीजनल चेंजेस होते हैं इस टाइम पे अपना इम्यूनिटी बहुत वीक होता है, एंड दिस फास्टिंग इज गोइंग टू बूस्ट अप दैट एनर्जी एंड गिव यू दैट इम्यूनिटी. And now, when we talk about fasting, it is always connected with the mind and body, and it also gives discipline to our body. So let's talk about the body first. So during this time, what we need is we want our body to feel very lighter, and that is why we stop all the cereals and we move to millets. We want our body to feel very fresh, so we include some fresh fruits to our body, to our daily diet. We also want a pranic into our life, that is a new energy to our whole body and the system. So what is needed is we want that raw and uncooked food, which is the new healthy right now. So when we talk about the mind connection, there is always a spirituality that comes in. So be it the puja or the yoga or the sadhanas that we talk about. This is connection which is going to be a very healthy connection with the mind and body. Our body always gives us signal. We just need to understand and work accordingly. So when we talk about sustaining during the fasting time, we always talk about the energy. So energy during the fast is always a question कि भाई खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो एनर्जी कैसे मिलेगा. But fasting is not always about starving. You always have to include some healthy, balanced and nutritious meal during your fasting time, which is going to give you that boost and also bring that boost to the digestive system. Few things to keep in mind. You have to work according to the schedule so that your fasting is a happy fasting day. You should not break your fast with tea and coffee. It has to be with some fruits or nuts. You have to keep yourself well hydrated because that is again a key for fasting. And lastly, for people who are diabetic or who have acidic problem or who have any of the health ailments, you have to consult an expert before going into the fasting phase. So wishing you all a very happy and balanced Shravan. Fasting is all about connecting with nature. So eat healthy and stay connected.